I'm called Blessed Ngam, the founder of CYES, which is Corporation of Young Entrepreneurs. So we have as a vision discovering and raising young entrepreneurs for global relevance. So in a world where a handful of people are denied to dream, we've decided to fall asleep so we can dream more better. What do we do? In a bid to discover and raise these young entrepreneurs, we frequently organize training programs, seminars like the one we had at the start of the year, Young but Loaded, which is an amazing and phenomenal program where we bring young individuals together. We're able to assess what it is they can do and how effective they can do that, and we can help them through that. It will amaze you that you can follow us on Facebook, whatever platform you deem it necessary. Just check on CYES. Maybe you should not, but maybe you should. It's going to help you. But sometimes when we say you shouldn't, you're most likely to do so. We're here today because of CivilSalt, not just because you wanted to be here, you came to experience something, and you've come and you've seen the birth of an infant, something which is going to eventually grow to be an adult. I would love to associate with that. I want to say that a dream is a visitation and not an invitation. You're invited here to see a dream, which that dream visited someone. He did not invite for it, he came. And I want to also let you know that your own dream is coming to visit you soon. So, I'm saying so because I work with youth a lot, and it's of utmost necessity that I help direct young individuals on how to accept the dream's visitation. A lot of individuals have visitations, but they don't know how to welcome those visitations. They don't know how to nurture those visitations to allow the visitations to grow. A lot of us have dreams here because we find ourselves in a society where it doesn't prompt us to grow as much or as fast as we want to. We are limited and we withdraw ourselves. So we don't give ourselves the access to dream again. But I want to let you know that as you've come here today and you've seen OTAO Expo, you've seen Enesia, you've seen CivilSalt, you've seen a lot of other amazing things, you should not just be an eyewitness, but you should be someone who can also partake in the growth of these visions. If you are to talk about tech somewhere, make sure you mention CivilSalt. It's going to go a long way to build a dream we are envisaging for the future. So as you sit down here, get inspired, accept the visitation as a dream, and live it out. Thank you very much.